you're entitled to your ideas. I'm not saying that they're wrong. But then we get so attached to these ideas, we're gonna turn around and kill a man for this idea. And that goes. What was the first thing I said? Life first. So as much as I might believe this and I might know these things and I implement them in my life and work with them, it's about, as I said, keeping it practical to the scenario that you're in. And well, no matter what this thing, like everything in life is open to change, But if you always put life first, everything will be alright.
Absolutely.
So
with no fear.
Yeah.
So is this the message that you're putting forward in your music?
Yeah. Because even as I was saying about like life over death or life first, life first is like faith over fear. Like you said about fear. No one knows fear.
Yeah.
If you've got faith, and I don't just mean like blind faith in anything. In Jackanory and whatever, I mean like faith in the things we know, innit? You know what I mean? Once you start to put faith in these things that are solid, you can act on that. You know what I mean? And then there's no room for that. You can test these things. You know what I mean? So if when we're in a fear state, fear can control us. Fear is a very like sickening thing to mankind.
Fear will kill you.
Have you seen Apocalypto?
Yes.
You see when they're going through the bush and they bump into the other village, and the dad's like, whatever you do, don't tell them. Back in the village, and then they could have went home and be like, you know what, something bad is going on. He's like, let's move. He's like, no, because we're gonna bring fear back into the village. So because it's a crippling thing, and when you live in fear, it's like, and the only way to get rid of fear is faith. And a lot of time, as I said, faith comes from the knowledge. So get to know, innit? If you don't know, test it out, try it.
Well, this is it. You put things to experience, and it's almost like an experiment, isn't it? So I always say, if you do what you've always done, you'll get what you've always got. If you put sugar in water and expect salt water, then you've got a problem, because it's always going to be sugar.